Morning! Today is a working day of the week. Hubby, he went to work already in the morning. Actually, I got up late, maybe around 10:30, roughly 10:30. Katamad bumangon. And it's so hot. Kasi nag-AC lang kami paggabi. And then umaga, since I'm alone, electric fan lang. Tipid kuryente! Nagmamahal na yung kuryente dito. Grabe. And it's just me and hubby, so it's maganda tipid-tipid. Sayang yung money. My breakfast, it's the usual. 1 coffee and a grilled cheese sandwich. And then, I'm cooking embutido. Not really embutido. Nagpa-fry lang ako ng embutido. I just finished cooking yung kanin. Grabe. Yung dineliver na kanin na in-order ko from the grocery downstairs. Parang may maliliit siya na mga bugs. Maliliit. So, I have to wash thoroughly. Kasi kung minsan subo lang kami ng subo sa kanin. So, hindi kami nag-ano. So, I have to wash thoroughly. Na, na parang kumulubot yung hand ko kasi sobrang init din ng water. Grabe, parang almost to boiling water na yung nanggagaling sa faucet dito. Anyhow, yun lang. And, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna show you my makeup bago siguro ako pumasok. And we will see. I will not touch up. We will try yung foundation na nabili ko. Actually, I've been using it for 2 days now. Foundation. Yung basta yung mga product na nabili ko from Flormar. Kasi affordable lang siya. Lalo na yung sa mga everyday gumagamit ng makeup for work. So, okay lang siya yung prices nun. I haven't visited yung Sephora lately. So, baka may mga almost the same price rin sila. But anyhow, Eid is coming dito. Ilang days na lang, Eid na. So, most probably, all over the area, there will be sale. So, hopefully, I can catch or buy something na
night shift today.
I need
First
lang.
night shift of the week.
Hindi na yung sobra-sobra.
And
Kasi
by the
sayang.
time na dumating sa happy, ako naman yung paalis. So, our lunch for today is...
Anyhow, see you guys in a bit!
The soup, yan. And that's my plate. And I also prepared a plate for hubby.
That's my breakfast for today. It's a ubi cake, grilled sandwich, and a coffee. Still enjoying watching GMA Pinoy TV. Enjoy it while it lasts. So, mamaya ulit. Let's eat. Kain tayo. I'm gonna eat here while I watch this Eat Bulaga segment. Si Yaya Dab at saka pa-baby mode ni Lola. Sige po, kain po tayo.
Ikaw yan? Rosana? Rosana Villegas. Rosana Villegas. Number 1-9th